Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem that we hope you're doing well. So let's say today's problem rotate array. So what the problem is saying is we'll be given an unsorted array. We want to rotate the array to the left, okay, counterclockwise direction by D steps, where D is a positive integer. Do the mentioned change in the array in place. So we want to do the changes in the original array itself. Okay. So here, for example, right? Here, for example, there is this array given, and we have been given D, right? We want to rotate the array counterclockwise. That is to the left, right? That is to the left. Okay, by D steps. Okay, by D steps. So here, what will be the expected output? So if you rotate the array left by two steps, right? By D steps. So what the array will look like? So it will look like something like that. It will look like this, right? 3, 4, 5, 1, and 2. Okay. So we have moved two elements at the end. That's what we are doing here, right? We have moved two elements at the end. Okay. So this is the expectation. Okay. Now today I'm directly going to discuss and solve the expected approach. Okay. So how can we solve this problem? Let's quickly see. So first of all, we can solve this problem in three steps. So what we can do is first, we can reverse the array. Okay, let's also like go step by step. Okay, so for example, if this is the original array, right, 1 3 1 2 3 4 5, right, we can reverse the array. Okay, um from index, reverse from 0 to d minus 1. Okay, d minus 1. Okay, so let's do the first step. So d minus 1, what is d? First of all, d is 2, so d minus 1 is 1. So here, if we consider 0 based indexing, right, 0 1 2 3 4, right? So here we will reverse our array from 0 to d minus 1, which is 1. Okay, so how it will look like? 2 comma 1, 3, 4, and 5. So after first step, the array looks like this: 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Second step is reverse the array from d to n minus 1. Okay, so what is d again? D is 2. So if you consider the 0 based indexing, so d equal to 2 will start from here till n minus 1, which is 4. Okay, so from here to here, we want to reverse the array. So how the array will look like? 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. That is, we have reversed this sub array basically. Okay, we have reversed this sub array. So the second step is done. Now the third step is what? Reverse from 0 to n minus 1. That means reverse the complete array now. So what the complete array will look like? So we have to reverse from year to year, right? So if you see 3, 4, 5, 1, and 2. Okay, we have reversed the complete array in the third step. Okay. So if you see this will be the expected output, right? This is the expected output, this is the expected output, right? So we have got the expected output in three steps. Okay, in three steps. Now, what is the time complexity here? It is O of n, definitely. We are solving this problem in O of n. Okay. And what is the space complexity? It is O of 1. We are not taking any extra space. Okay. So this is the intuition behind solving the problem. So I hope you've got the intuition. So I'll also request you, if you've got the intuition, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Okay. Let's quickly see the code. Okay. So first I'll show the Java code followed by C++. Also, you'll understand better once we write the code. Okay. Int n equal to array.length. Okay. So let's say if n equal to 0, right? Then simply return, because the array is empty. So we cannot rotate the array, right? Yeah. So now let's reverse. For example, let's write a function reverse, okay? Wherein we will array of, as I explained, right? D minus 1, we are going to pass, right? So let's also implement the reverse function. Static void reverse int array int start int end, right? What are we going to do here? While start is less than end. So how will reverse? So let's also explain, we'll also discuss this. So here, for example, right? So this was the step, the second step. After the second step, this was the state of the array: 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. Now we want to reverse, right? So here is the start index, here is the end index. Okay, so how we are reversing? So start is pointing here, end is pointing here, right? So we'll simply swap the elements. We'll simply swap the elements, and okay. So how it will look like? 1, 3, swapping this and these elements, right? 4 and 2. It will look like this. Now what we are going to do? We'll increment a start and decrement an end, right? And then again we'll swap the elements. These elements, right? Okay. So we'll keep on incrementing and decrementing start and end until start and end until start is less than end. Okay. So this is the approach behind reversing the array. Okay. So let me implement this. So we'll swap, right? In temp equal to air of start equal to air of end, air of end equal to temp. Okay. So doing this, incrementer start, decrementer end. Okay. So this is the way we reverse. Now, first I told you the three steps, right? First to reverse from 0 to d minus 1. 0 to d minus 1. Second step is what? From d to n minus 1, right? From d to, second step is d to n minus 1. And third step is from 0 to n minus 1. So in this way, let's compile this. Now we want to handle one more case, right? We want to handle one more case. So yes, so if you see the expected output and our output, it's same. Now we have one more case. So let's quickly see the case here. So the case is here. Okay, 7391. 7391. Okay. So 7391 is the array. Okay. And D is 9 here. Okay. D is 9. D is greater than the size of the array. Till now we saw D was less than the size of the array. Okay. And what is expected output here? If you see here, right? What is expected output? 3917 is the expected output. 3917. 17. So in this case, what we are going to do when the size of D, if it is greater than the array size, then in this case, what we are going to do? D mod n we are going to do. So D is what in this case 9. Okay. D equal to D mod n. So D is 9 mod n is what? The size of the array is 4. Okay. So 9 mod 4, it is going to give us the remainder will be 1. So D equal to 1. So D now turns out to 1. Okay. D now turns out to 1. So if we now what we can do is simple, right? So we want to rotate the array left by only 1, d equal to 1. So 3, 9, 1 and 7. That's what we're done, right? So this element we are pushing at the back of the array. Okay. So this was the another case, right? With the remaining case. Okay. So what we're going to do here? D equal to d mod n. That's it. Now let's compile again. Okay. So I'll also show the Java of C++ code. So let's submit. So the test keys are being processed. Thanks for watching. I hope you have got the solution. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Okay, let's quickly see the C++ code. I'll also attach the code in the comment section. Okay, so here, right? So yeah, so the same, right? The same thing. I don't think so. We need to explain this. So only thing is we are using the inbuilt function in C++ to swap the elements. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I hope you have got the solution. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.